I-like nyo lang, pati i-subscribe. Tama basa tayo.
Yung high pitch
Yan
daw,
lang natin to.
you are pretend little mouse when your voice sound high and squeaky. Now, pretend you're a big, strong bird. Make your nose sound deep and low.
Sa iba naman tayo, guys. Bawi lang sa likod mo ko, Si
Pinocchio.
Bakit si Pinocchio? Alam mo? Mapinanood namin yung si Pinocchio.
Pinanood ko.
Pero si Lucas kasi. Si Rupert. Panalo niya Pinocchio. Niloloko niya niloloko kami ni Lucas.
My family and I go to church every Sunday. I love to clap in the river near our home. I love to wade. Tom is always polite when he talks to his teacher. And Anna loves to
Play.
with her dolls,
Clap.
with her cousin. Kyle feels happy when he eats his burger with lettuce. Yun. Draw a picture of your last trip with your family. Hindi ka na. Ulit na tayo.
Sige.
May pasok pa bukas. Good night na, guys.
Good night na, guys. Kunyari, hindi video pa tayo habang ng diba? Habang ng habang ng tutulog tayo, diba? I-video nyo. Okay, guys. Ano ito? Okay, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Ay, mine, wait for me. Bye-bye, guys. Tulong eh. Wait lang, guys, ha. Sama kayo? Hindi na pala. Ay. Wait lang, guys. Ano yan?